Right, so this is a quick demo of the Elna TSP72C. As far as I can tell, everything is here and works. I'll just do a quick demo of it sewing and going through some of the different stitches that it can make. Alright, so we'll start out with just a straight stitch. Sorry, doing this one-handed. So this is the stitch length adjuster. This is a maximum. And when this is set here, it is a straight stitch. And because I'm on 1 here, that 1, when this is on 0, it's going to sew a straight stitch. And then when you move this over, it will then widen the zigzag. Hold it. The stitch a little wider. And then I'll go to the widest zigzag. And then I will go down. To do like a satin stitch. And now I'll change it to a different stitch. Let's do number 2. And let's do number 3. So I used to put it back to 0 first, and then 3. No, let's go to 4.